One tiny mistake reportedly turned millions of Samsung phones into pocket-sized bombs. This is the story of the Galaxy Note 7, year 2016. 10 years ago, Samsung made a mathematical error, measuring exactly 0.1 millimeters. That is roughly the thickness of a single human hair. A device so volatile, it was legally banned from every commercial airplane in the sky. A disaster that wiped out a reported $5.3 billion in a matter of months. To beat Apple, engineers pushed the limits of physics. Official teardowns revealed they crammed a massive, high-capacity battery into a metal frame with absolutely zero room to breathe. Lithium batteries naturally expand, but according to independent investigations, Samsung left no ceiling. The pressure built, the internal electrodes were crushed together, and then the fires started. But the most terrifying part of this entire investigation, when Samsung recalled the phones to fix the problem, they accidentally made it worse. September 2016, Samsung hits the panic button. They recalled 2.5 million devices and promised the world a fix. They shipped out brand new, allegedly safe replacement phones with different batteries. They even added a special green battery icon to the screen to prove you were out of danger. But that green icon, it was a false promise. On October 5th, a Southwest Airlines flight is suddenly evacuated before takeoff. Thick gray-green smoke is popping inside the cabin. But here's the terrifying truth. It wasn't an original Note 7. It was one of the safe replacements. The engineering flaw was reportedly so deep, even the new batteries were catching fire. The US government had to step in for a second, unprecedented recall of nearly 2 million more phones. The situation became so legally dangerous, Samsung had to permanently kill production. They literally mailed customers multi-layer fireproof boxes, lined with ceramic fiber, just so the phones wouldn't burn down delivery trucks on the way back. To understand why the safe phones exploded, we have to look at who actually made the batteries. You see, Samsung didn't just use one factory, they used two. The first batch of exploding phones came from their own internal company. That was the 0.1 millimeter gap mistake we talked about earlier in the video. But when the global panic started, to save the release, they reportedly dumped the entire production load onto their secret second supplier, a company based in China called ATL. Samsung allegedly demanded millions of new batteries instantly, and in that desperate rush to beat the Apple iPhone 7, ATL reportedly made a fatal engineering error. According to official teardown reports, they allegedly rushed the welding process, which created microscopic, razor-sharp metal spikes called burrs. When the battery naturally expanded, these metal spikes physically punctured the internal insulation tape. They literally stabbed the battery from the inside out. And the absolute most shocking part of the official investigation, in the mad rush to ship millions of replacement phones, some of the new batteries were reportedly missing the protective insulation tape completely. Samsung thought they had fixed the physical flaw, instead traded it for a totally different bomb. But the real victims here weren't just the executives losing billions, it was the people holding the phones. Imagine waking up, reaching for your phones, and grabbing a piece of molten glass. In Florida, a family's Jeep was completely engulfed in flames after a Note 7 was left charging inside. A 19-year-old user suffered severe burns. It became the first smartphone in history to be declared a federal hazard. The FAA legally banned it from every commercial flight in the sky. The boxes came with a massive, bold warning: ground transport only, forbidden on aircraft. They weren't recalling phones anymore. They were retrieving active threats. The Galaxy Note 7 was officially dead, but Samsung's true nightmare was just beginning. They had to do the impossible. How do you survive a $5 billion disaster? You tear your entire empire down and start over. After the Note 7 nightmare, Samsung knew they were one mistake away from complete ruin. To legally stay in business, they created the industry's most extreme testing protocol, the 8-point battery safety check. Every single phone they make now is rigorously X-rayed, baked in extreme temperatures, and manually cracked open by human experts. They literally had to invent new testing facilities just to win back your trust. Fast forward exactly 10 years, the world will finally see the new Galaxy S26. It's pushing the boundaries of AI, speed, and massive battery capacity once again. Subscribe to Case Zero Docs for more of the dark secrets